Alright, so we're on our way.
1 second. Restart.
Alright, so on our way to Max Orido's shop, 130R Yokohama. So for those of you who don't know Max Orido, he's like a very well-known, very famous racing driver in Japan. He's been racing with Toyota for many years. He's famous for the Supra. He's currently racing GR86 in Super GT. So he's kind of like the Toyota guy. So today we're on our way to his shop. He's my teammate this year in Super Taikyu. So we kind of got much closer this year. And we're looking at an exhaust that we've developed at Shogun together with him, because he's kind of like the Toyota guy, and we're going to do a bit of R&D together and a product check together, and yeah, we're going to install it in his shop. So looking forward to that. So we're on our way at the moment, and Syoin is, I don't know what it is, I'm not looking, but he's going to bid on his car on the way, because his car's coming up in apparently 4 minutes in the auction to be able to be bid on. So yeah, fingers crossed for him.
Start. Syoin 35万どうするなんでバカじゃんどうする
What happened?
なんでいかったか
How much was it?
35万
Oh my god. 完璧じゃない？でもちょっとオーバーでしょ？ちょっとバッキンね。
ちょっと違う。18まで押したい。でもなんで急に35になるわからない。
Hey guys, just for a bit of context, what you just saw was Syoin bidding on his car on the auction for the $3,000 car challenge. So what actually happened was, because we were driving, the internet he was using was actually my pocket Wi-Fi, and it lagged out while he was pressing the button to bid. So I think he outbid himself maybe 3-4 times, and then he went way over budget basically because it was just frozen. So just some context for you there why we were laughing at him.
We got the exhaust right here, and we'll be putting it on the Chase's 86 at Max Orido's shop 130R, and yeah, let's wait for it, and we're all excited, so let's see.
Alright, so we're here in 130R. We just arrived. Chase's car is up on the lift, and behind us here is the exhaust system. So we're going to be installing it today, doing a sound check, maybe a bit of a drive check, and see how it is, see its condition. We have Max Orido here with us, so he's going to have a look, give his thoughts, and yeah, I think everyone's excited. We're going to go for the single tip or the dual tip? Which one?
Single tip.
Single tip,
yeah.
Okay.
Try that first.
Dual tip.
Dual tip.
Single on each side, yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Subaru Oh, don't film that shit, man.
Didn't do it again?
No.
シートチェックしてください、どうぞ。
シートチェック。
C check. Oh.
お願いします。I just have to be really skinny to fit in these if it's too small. Oh, maybe they're too small for me. Oh, maybe I should try that one because this one's like the really small one,
Yeah.
and my hips are too big. American engine.
ちょっとトライ。
Try?
ドライビングシートは
運転席違う
ちょっと振る。
It's not bad. It is small. Like I can't really go too wide, but I can fit like. Yeah, getting out would be the issue, right? I'm gonna like go like this. This is how I get out of my car too.
ちょっと狭い。助手席も乗ってみて、助手席はちょっとロースタイル。
So this is like a different style.
Yes.
It's a lower size seat.
ロースタイル。
Ah, low size.
ロースタイル。
Oh, this one feels more comfortable. I like this one. That's like good backing. You would not move at all. But like this one's even better, but this one's good too.
Which one did you like the most?
I think I like this one because I have more space to actually spread my legs.
Yeah, makes
I
sense.
have more dick room.
Yeah, good enough.
Don't put that in camera.
It's already in. I mean, it's wider than like the ASM seat, so there's some.
Oh, he's taking it for a test drive.
Oh yeah.
Well, if he crashes it, do I get his car?
Yeah, this one now.
I get this one now.
Fingers crossed, right?
Fingers crossed.
So all finished, back to Shogun now. We just came directly from Max Orido's shop. Traffic was crazy. I think added like double the time. But yeah, super happy with the day. What do you think? You're happy with the result as well?
It's a great exhaust. Sounds great. It's not too loud. It's not underpowered. So it's like in this perfect sweet spot for me.
Yeah, I kind of felt the same. Like the sound really comes out nice without crazy volume.
Right.
It's like it's a bit louder, but
The
not
great
like
tone
crazy.
too.
Right?
It's got a great tone to it.
That titanium sound. So yeah, really happy with the day. I think Orido-san really was impressed too by the sound. I think all of us were. And yeah, I think we're in a good spot now. We'll do a little bit more R&D. We might try out a few things, maybe do a dyno run and just try and develop a bit further. But good start, I think, with this. So
Yeah.
super happy and yeah, keep eyes on us with this exhaust progress. We're going to keep up with the R&D and probably have them widely available soon. But for now, Chase is the only guy who's got one, so
One of one.
one of one, yeah.